All right, let's talk about auto-tracking silent stakeholders, Batman style. Here's the trap most reps fall into. They're speaking to one friendly contact, but the real decision maker never joins the call, never replies, never comments, just watches. It's like Batman walking into Gotham without checking the rooftops. Everything looks calm until it isn't, but AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, silent stakeholders are detected automatically. Moksy can help you to create stunning websites in minutes without any cost and no coding skills needed. AI spots repeat pricing visits, late night browsing, document views, and behavior patterns, even when no one speaks. Now reps know who's watching, what they care about, and when to engage. So ask yourself, are you selling to the voice or to the real power?